Hello and welcome back to another Dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today you'll be riding along with me on northbound US 127 and I-75 in the great state of Michigan. But to all our first time visitors, I would like to say welcome. I would recommend to you checking out some more of my Dashcam, GoPro, and drone videos from other trips I have taken, including footage from states like South Dakota, Minnesota, and Colorado to name a few. So in this video, we'll start on US 127 near Houghton Lake. After following it past Higgins Lake, we'll emerge onto I-75 just south of Grayling. After that, we will follow I-75 through Grayling into Gaylord, Michigan. And also before you go, if you like watching these kinds of videos as much as I do, I would encourage you to leave a comment, clicking that like button, or becoming a subscriber if you haven't already, to help support me make more videos just like this one. After this short trip up to Mackinac in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, we'll be heading west to California, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to follow along. But for now, I'm going to keep heading north towards Mackinaw on US 127 and I-75 in the northern lower peninsula of Michigan. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll be taking I-75 the rest of the way into Mackinaw City, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.